Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you how to change the recycling bin icon in Windows 10. So if for some reason you just don't like how it looks and you want to change it, this tutorial is going to be for you guys. So we're going to just jump right into it by heading over to our start button. And then we want to left click on settings. Then you want to head over to the personalization tile and left click on that. Now you want to left click on themes on the left side here. Should be the second from the bottom. Now you want to left click on desktop icon settings. Now you want to select the recycling bin and then left click on change icon. Please note that there should be two icons for the recycling bin, one that says recycling bin followed by full and one that says recycling bin followed by empty. This will change the icon only for each individual one, so you have to go back through and do it for both. So anyway, we're going to change the recycling bin full icon first, and we'll decide later if we want to change the other one. So we're going to left click on change icon. Now we see we have a variety of different images to choose from here. So now you can browse through any ICO file or DL file with icons within it. And you can also browse further on your own if you wanted to go even deeper into it. But we do have a very nice selection that Windows provides us to begin with. So let's say, for example, I think they have some really old icons in here. So for the full icon, let's select a random one here. So I'm going to select this icon that kind of looks like a printer, and then I'm going to click on OK. And then for the recycling bin empty, I'm going to change icon, and then why not? Let's select a DVD icon, who cares, and click on apply and OK. So we see that this is the icon we selected. Recycling bin has contents within it. So if for some reason I wanted to right click on it and then empty the recycling bin, we see that our icon changes to the empty recycling bin icon. So very similar to Windows, how the icon will change if you have stuff within your recycling bin. If you guys did not know that, check it out. Windows does actually change the icon of the recycling bin. So I hope this brief tutorial helped you guys out, and I will catch you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.